So you just got your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. These are the settings that you should consider changing first. Starting off with the number one thing, and that is Google Gemini. You can try Google Gemini with voice, but that uses a lot of battery, and that's why you should use Google Gemini by long pressing the side key. You can choose that by going to settings, then buttons and gestures. Now under home button you will see long press. Just tap it and choose Google Gemini. This way you can save a lot of battery while still using that Google Gemini option. Also you can change the double press option to recent apps. By default, it is not set to recent apps. This way you can just double press this side key to see all your recent apps running in the background, and you can close them by tapping right here. Next setting that you should change is for modes and routines. For example, if I swipe down on my Galaxy Watch, then long press on this first toggle and tap on routines, I can control almost any setting on my Galaxy phone. For example, I'll turn on the silent mode by tapping here. Or I can turn on Wi-Fi or hotspot on my phone using my Galaxy Watch. For this, simply go to settings on your Galaxy phone and tap on modes and routines. Now in routines, add a new routine. This new routine will be synced with your Galaxy Watch, and you can use that by once again long pressing on that first toggle and tapping on routines. Galaxy Watch 8 comes with hard fall detection, but by default this feature is not turned on. This is a really good option that can save your life. To enable this option, on your Galaxy phone, open the wearable app. Now tap on Watch Settings and scroll down. Tap on Safety and Emergency. You will see hard fall detection. Just turn this option on. You can add an emergency contact number right here. So this is a lot handy option for your Galaxy Watch. Galaxy Watch 8 has dual band GPS for an accurate workout tracking. So make sure you enable this one option. For that, open your workouts. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down and you will see Workout Start. Tap it and choose Manual. This says you can wait to start your workout until GPS is connected. This will make sure you can track an accurate map of your running or workout. Before moving on to the next setting, I have this amazing watch face from 69 Designs for giveaway. Many free coupons are available, so simply comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. The design is kinda classy and sporty at the same time. Background shows our day with date, battery percentage, and sunset sunrise right here. Further, many color options are there for this watch face that you can check out. I like this blue and yellow a lot. Plus you can change background pattern too with this face, so do check it out. Galaxy Watch 8 has some new gestures, but make sure you're using them. So go to settings, scroll down and tap on buttons and gestures. Under gestures, you'll see double pinch. Here it says now bar. With this gesture, you can open a now bar on your watch face, so it's a lot handy. If you want to make your Galaxy Watch look a bit snappy, go to settings and scroll down. Tap on About Watch. Now choose Software Information. Tap multiple times on Software Version, and Developer Mode will be turned on. Now go back and tap on Developer Mode. Scroll down and you will see Window Animation Scale right here. Tap it and choose 0.5x. Also choose 0.5x. This will make your Galaxy Watch look a lot snappier and animations will be faster now. So these were some top settings that you should change right now after getting your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.